Hello, welcome. Today we're going to talk about plural nouns. Plural means more than one noun. For example, we have apples, stars, we got watches, and look, there's so many leaves here. Do you notice something? So these are regular plural nouns. And you notice there's an S at the end of each word here. So usually, plural nouns, you add S, but not always. Let's look over here. So most nouns, you just add S. For example, car, so one car, 3 cars. Or book, so more than one book, we say books, 5 books. And then we also have, look, pens, so add an S. But sometimes we have other rules. Look over here. Sometimes you add ES. So when do you add ES? Words that end in S, or they end in SS, or they end in SH, or end in X, or ends in Z, you add ES. Let me give you some examples. So we have the word, look here, bus. So you add ES, buses. Kiss, SS, right? Kisses. Or dish, ends in SH. Dishes. And then watch. Oh, we forgot one. And also words that end in CH. So watch becomes watches. And then box becomes boxes. How about, oh, you might like this one. Do you like to write quiz? Quizzes? Quizzes. So CH, add ES, SS, add ES, S, add ES, SH, add ES, X, add ES. So it's sometimes, most of the time, you add S. And then sometimes, depending on what the word ends in, you add ES. And then there's sometimes you add, if the word ends in Y, you change that to IES. So maybe you heard of this word, baby. All right? I'm going to erase the Y, take out the Y, and I'm going to change it to IES. All right? Party. Party ends with Y. So I'm going to take out that Y and then change it to IES. So it becomes parties. Okay? Let's give another example. City. So city, take out the Y, and then it becomes cities. IES. But here's what you don't do. Look at this word. Day. You don't take out the Y and add IES here. No, don't do this. This is wrong. Because look, A is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. So words that have a vowel and a Y plus Y, you add just an S. So you have days, OY, toys, keys, boys. All right, so if it's a vowel plus Y, you just add S. And then another one. Oh, let me add one back over here. Where were we? Sometimes if it ends in O, you also add ES, like hero, heroes, okay? Or tomato. But sometimes, this is the tricky part. Sometimes words like pianos, you just add S. Or photo, you just add S. So you have to memorize these ones. So sometimes it's ES, like these words here. And sometimes it's just S. Okay. We still have more. One more. Let's just do one more rule. And I hope this helps you. Plurals can sometimes be tricky, but don't worry. Just practice and you'll get it. So if a word ends with F or FE, okay, you take that and you change it to VES. VES. Here are some examples. Like leaves or wolves. Whoops. Let me write the original first. So wolf changes to wolves. Or knife. All right, FE changes to, you know it? Yes, knives. All right, there you go. Okay, I hope that helps. But you know what? Sometimes English is crazy. Words like roof, you don't add VES, or you don't change F to VES. You just add an S. Roofs or beliefs. Just add S. But most of them, when it's F or FE, you change it to VES. I hope that helps. And you know what? If you want more practice and you want to learn more about plural nouns or other English grammar, join our Headstart online grammar course. And this will help you be a better English speaker, have better grammar, and get better at writing. All right, I hope to see you all in class. All right, see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.